It's very simple to start your own business with little to no money, and here's how. Okay, so maybe you want to start your own business and you don't have money, or you have a little bit of money but you don't have much. You don't have enough money to buy equipment. So what can you do? It's simple. If you want to start your own business, people always say, "Oh, you need money to make money. You need to invest to make money. This and that." In this business, there's people called wholesalers. Wholesalers are people that sell to other people that are resellers. Let's say I have a machine that's a 7 head and I'm doing embroidery. You come to me and you're like, "Hey man, I need 144 hats embroidered, all with the same logo." I give it to you at a price, at a wholesaler price, because you're coming in big quantities. You bring me the hats, you bring me the artwork, and you tell me, "Okay, this is what I want," and then you go and charge the customer double or triple, or depending how you work or how much money you want to make, or how, well, it just depends on your rate. That's how much you charge your customer, and obviously it's going to be more than your cost, more than the cost that I charged you. And that's how you make money. When you get your supplier, when you trust your supplier and you know they're going to give you a good job, they you know their prices. Let's say they charge you $10 for one shirt. Okay, you go to the customer and you charge them 15. I know you might not make a lot, but remember, you have little to no money. So you really can't complain, beggars can't be choosers. You either have money and buy your own machines and make a lot of money, or you go with someone that has the machines, get prices from them, and then double those prices up to your customers, or resell those prices to your customers and make money. It's a pretty simple thing. There's some people that don't have time to go looking for pricing, this and that, and you share your stuff on Instagram. You know what? I do t-shirts, I do screen printing, I do embroidery, blah blah blah. You could do everything out nowadays. You could do everything online. People don't always want to, "Oh, so where's your shop? Yes, there are people like that, but there's a lot of people that really don't mind paying everything online. Nowadays everything is done online. So as you can see, it's simple starting your own screen printing and embroidery business. Just find a supplier, find your customer, and sell. It's easy. You can go, there's a bunch of suppliers on Instagram, or you can go on Craigslist, look up your local shops, see if they're willing to work out a price list for you. Go to don't just pick one. Don't just go to one and pick one. Go to different ones and pick one. You might find one place gives you better quality, one place gives you better price, or another place that gives you good quality embroidery but crappy screen printing, or the vice versa. Good screen printing, bad embroidery. It just depends. Maybe one printer, just all he has is screen printing, and the other guy doesn't have embroidery. I mean, it just depends on the type of where you go and everything. All you got to do is start. Don't just say, "Oh, that sounds like a good idea, I'm gonna do it." "Oh yeah, that's a good idea," or be going through people's Instagrams, people's social media, going through people's social medias, going through people's YouTubes, writing everything down, and then not taking action. Start taking action now. If you never start, you'll never start. You could be like, "But that takes forever. I'd rather just wait and buy my machines." Yeah, but if you don't, it takes forever. But imagine you start right now, and then a year from now, you'll be better at it. By the time you get your machines, then you'll be even better, because you're already gonna have your clients. You're already gonna have suppliers from everything, and then once you get your own machines, boom, you already know where to get your shirts. You already know your clients. You're gonna be booming. You're making more money. So come on, start now. First, find your supplier. That's either your machines, or your local workshop or online shop, whichever route you may take, and then start finding your customers. Because if you don't have your supplies, then how are you gonna sell to your customers? What's the point of having customers if you don't know where to get your shirts from? You don't know how to get your t-shirts. I mean, you don't know how to screen print them or anything. You don't have your machines. I mean, it's simple. Just find your supplier, and you could start with no money. Or if you have little money, buy a vinyl cutter and start using vinyl and make shirts from vinyl and grow from there. I'm actually headed to have a meeting with a client, which is why I'm out of my shop right now. So yeah, remember, find your supplier, start promoting on social media, pass out business cards, pass out flyers, everything, and start selling. Sell. I wish you the best of luck. If you like these kind of videos, let me know. I mean, I'm trying to make more and more of them, but I be so busy sometimes. But I'm gonna start doing more videos, so hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on to the next video. Thanks, you guys. Almost forgot, you guys. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment section, or follow me on Instagram. You may also comment. You may also send me a DM directly, so I can answer your messages. I'll be more than likely help you with anything. You need screen printing ideas, tips, how to promote your brand. I'm the guy to go to. Let me know if you have any questions.